Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So, the tech giant Apple's upcoming smartphone iPhone 14 Pro Max is likely to feature a bigger hole punch than earlier thought. A supposed new schematic of the iPhone 14 Pro Max appears to show the hole punch replacement of the notch may be much bigger than originally thought for the iPhone 14 series. Rumors surrounding the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max claim Apple will do away with the infamous and much copied notch, in favor of hole punch and pill-shaped cutouts at the top of the screen. While it is thought that the design could reduce the amount of intrusion into the display, a leak indicates it may not be as much of a reduction as expected. In an image posted to Weibo and later corroborated by leaker John Prosser as being an accurate leak, the display of an iPhone 14 model is shown bearing the hole punch and pill layout at the top of the display. Prosser overlaid the image on top of the render for the supposed display, and the two don't quite match up. While renders show both display gaps as quite slim and small, the image instead offers that the elements are roughly twice the size than speculated. If true, the double-hole design could eat a lot of display real estate, though not necessarily as much as the existing notch design. The size may make it much more noticeable to consumers, though it remains to be seen if it will put upgraders off, if Apple does go ahead with it. It is unclear if the non-Pro iPhone 14 models will also feature a dual-hole design, as rumors currently point to the Pro models gaining the change. Other rumors point to the loss of the camera bump from the rear, as well as a camera sensor upgrade from 12MP cameras to 48MP. The tech in question is Samsung's M12 OLED material set, which comprises the red, green and blue pixels dopant, host and prime elements in OLED displays. It brings improved display performance and color accuracy and, controversially, was skipped entirely by Samsung for its flagship S22 smartphones. Consequently, Samsung released the Galaxy S22 Ultra and Galaxy S22 Plus with M11, the same tech used in last year's models, while the Galaxy S22 was left further behind with M10, which was first used by the Galaxy S20 range in 2020. And it is not just this revelation which causes something of a shock for iPhone fans, it is the reversal of recent history. Back in 2020, Samsung launched the first commercial LTPO variable refresh rate OLED displays to market, which made high refresh rates far more power efficient. The iPhone range missed out as Samsung limited the tech to the Galaxy Note 20. Apple consequently had to delay its own promotion iPhone displays until the launch of iPhone 13 Pro models in late 2021. Now iPhones are ahead of the curve. Needless to say, given what we already know about standard iPhone 14 models, this tech will almost certainly be exclusive to iPhone 14 Pro models. Well, that is it guys, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.